Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new, thanks for looking at today's video. I will be doing a quick update on the pump that I received recently. So this will be the third pump that I have used, and I'll kind of just talk about this pump versus the others. This is simply a Medela Pump and Style Advance. My previous pump that I still have was also a Medela Pump and Style Advance. I think maybe they changed a little bit of the style. Honestly, I think that's the only thing that I have noticed has changed is the style of the pump. And I just pumped. Look at that good output. So this one has a little bit over 4 ounces, and then this one is over the 5-ounce line. So let's just say this is 6 ounces. And I did have a feeding that I missed because both me and the newborn were napping. But I will say that this is kind of a basic model because it doesn't have a carrying case like for all of the tools. And when I say tools, the pump itself, the bottles, and some other things. I do have a backpack that I will use if I have to go out that I typically had years ago when I was working outside of the home. And this one is just simply, it has a carrier for the motor itself. So this is the actual motor, but there's nothing else that was provided as far as carrying everything else. So that's probably the biggest difference. I just ate a really healthy salad. I made a Buddha bowl. So that's why you see all this yumminess. So I will talk about nutrition probably in another video, but it is very important what you eat. All right, so that's pretty much what today's quick little video is about. Look at my little 5-year-old with his mask on. So this is our real life, and he definitely was a breastfed baby, so he enjoyed the benefits of mommy's breast milk, and now his little sister gets to enjoy that as well. So more videos to come, but again, this is the Medela Pump and Style Advance. This is simply just a carrier for the motor. Thanks, guys. Feel free to subscribe. Naturally Nija. More details to come, and I'll put the information in the description box. Okay, so this is actually the packaging for the Medela Pump and Style Advance pump. So you can see it's the Pump and Style Advance. They call it a starter set. So it tells you it's not for retail sale. It was through insurance. They even have it on here too, which is new. Insurance supplied, not for retail sale. Probably so that people don't try to take it back to a retail store and get money or credit or something for it. So I'm pretty sure that's why all of that is there. Because I can tell you when I've purchased pumps from my insurance in years prior, I didn't have all that. So you know how people are. Nonetheless, so this is what comes in it. So I just emptied the box out. So that's the actual box. And then this is like the packaging. So you get some nursing pads from Medela. Disposable nursing pads. I thankfully can say I don't really have a lot of leakage, but it's always good. And I have pads left over, so this will just add to my little collection. But it just says it's excellent absorption and leak protection for day or night. Discreet under your clothes, which is good. So they give you 2 of these. And how many are in here? Does it say? I don't. Oh, 4. So it's 4 in here. And they give you 2 packs, right? So then you get 2 sets of the flanges, right? Drop one, but this is a extra large or large, and they have a smaller size. So I'm using the smaller size. Of course, we know that varies on your size of your breast. This right here is the battery pack. And I can tell you from a mom of now 3 and with my other 2 pregnancies, I definitely, and births, I definitely use the travel pack, the battery pack, because I have had to pump in the car when I've done meetings or been out on the go and just not able to be somewhere where I can plug in. So this requires batteries, probably like 8, because I can remember before, and I had a Medela one, it was like 8 batteries. And you plug it into the motor, and then the other end, the other end is just attached to the battery pack. So this is the part that you would plug into the motor, right? And then I forget what these are called, but they're little silicone. That actually goes on the pump part. And I can tell you one time I lost these. And your pump will not work if this sealant is not on there. I lost one time when I was washing it in the sink at work, and I had to go and find it, y'all. And thankfully, it was at the bottom of the sink, still sitting there, because I realized like hours later it was gone, and I went and found it. So I'm thankful that they give you an extra set. And then you can buy these accessories on Medela's website and even in the stores. I was in Target a couple weeks ago and I saw, most of the major pump lines were there and their accessories because things happen. And then you get a kit, well, not a kit, but a manual, instruction manual, which I haven't even really opened, but it's good to know about your breast pump. Okay, so that's that. So I just want to quickly do like an unboxing of what was left in there. You already saw what the actual pump looked like, but this is the basic set. Like I said, it comes with the actual motor and a little carrying case, and then you have 2 Medela bottles, and then the actual breast pump itself, all of that, the attachments, the tubing, the flanges, which I told you is 2 sets. That's 1 set, and then you get another set. So that's it. So thanks guys for watching. Go ahead and support by subscribing. You can comment, you can like, all of that fun stuff. This is Naturally Nyjah, and I'll be bringing you more lifestyle videos, especially with this pumping thing and breastfeeding tips and all that good stuff. So thanks guys for watching. Bye.